People without goals are less successful than they wish to be. And that is why it is very important to have goals and set them right. Hi, this is Lena. Welcome to my channel, The Best in You. Before we move on to setting your goals right, find out your why. If your why is not strong enough, you won't move forward with the passion to achieve your goal. Write your goals down. Writing your goals helps your brain stimulation. People who don't write their goals are less likely to accomplish them. When you write things down, you take them more seriously. Share your goal with someone. Involve your friend or a family, whoever you are comfortable with. Sharing your goal with someone makes you accountable and more responsible working towards your goal. Visualize the results of your goal. Have a frame in your mind that how it's going to be when you achieve them. Visualization helps in motivating you to achieve your goal. Now let's talk about the method on how to set your goals right. Set SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relatable, and time-bound. Now what does this mean? Your goal should be specific. It should not be a general goal. For example, it should not be like that, oh, I want to be healthier. It should be specific that I want to be healthier. How can I start with? Maybe it's losing weight, maybe it's changing your lifestyle. It's like a one step at a time. Be more specific. Your goal should be measurable, that you can measure your success at each step of the goal. Your goal should be attainable. You should not set up a goal which is impossible to achieve. Your goal should be relatable. It should be relatable with your life. And the last thing is, your goal should be time-bound. You should put a deadline to your goal. Once you set your SMART goals, make a start. Create a plan, steps on how you are going to achieve this goal. You might even want to create some short goals in order to achieve the ultimate one. It's a journey from point A to point B. It sounds really easy that, oh, you have to start from point A and just reach point B, like you do in your life. Whenever you're traveling, you're going to work. But then why it's not so easy in terms of goal setting? Because there is no plan laid out when you made your goal. So make sure you have your plan, short steps on how you are going to achieve this, and make an assessment that what you need to change in your life to achieve this, what you need to include, what are the steps that you need to take to go there. Put a timeline on your steps and measure the progress, and then decide, are you going in the right directions, or you need more time, or you might need to add something to go to the next step. Setting up short goals along the way to achieve the ultimate one gives you the idea how you need to work hard. And achieving those short goals gives you motivation to move forward. Whenever you are making progress, reward yourself. Don't just make New Year resolutions. Make goals for your life. Make goals for the whole year. And then make short goals on how you are going to do this. If you practice this, then definitely the results will be unbelievable. Hope you enjoyed today's video on goal setting. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this to bring out the best in you.